Hello, my YouTube friends. Thanks for stopping by. Now, yes, this is still the Super Affiliate Network. The only difference is the title, Affiliate Marketing Details for 2018. Now, we're going to continue with Bootcamp 8, and yes, I am Yes, I am still speaking for my coach, Misha Wilson, and this is what he has taught me. So let's continue. Now, I have put the stages of growth. It's not all through this video, but I had to put it back in because there was some more content I needed to add to it. So let's continue. Okay, there's the startup. When you're solely leveraging other people's systems and funnels, you don't have control over anything yourself. 6 figures, when you've taken control of one highly optimized custom sales funnel and are generating leads profitably, but you're still selling other people's products and services. On average, you'll make $1 per month per subscriber on your email list. 1,000 subscribers equal $1,000 per month. 5,000 subscribers equal $5,000 per month. 10,000 subscribers equal $10,000 per month. Multiple 6 figures. When you've taken control of all 3 high-impact sales funnels and have them all working together in a systematic fashion, but you're still selling other people's products and services. The only 3 funnels you'll ever need to scale to 6 and even multiple 6 figures. Here's the sales funnel number 1, and this is the Super Affiliate Opt-in funnel. There's the opt-in page, the bridge page, the affiliate offer, and the personally branded email follow-up campaign. One of our opt-in/captured page says, free, simple 4-step formula that unlocks 9 red-hot income streams and reveals how you can make $2,187.87 on complete autopilot in just days. Excuse me. Click below for instant access now. Get instant access. And this is a free service and credit card is not required. One of our bridge page says, expose the simple 3-step formula you need to finally break through online. Oh God, excuse me. Watch until the very end for over $1,000 worth of free bonuses. Hey, Misha Wilson here. There's a video, and underneath the video it says click here for instant access now. One of our affiliate offer page says, reveal the simple 4-step system that's allowing average, ordinary people beat the system and finally break through. There's another video, and underneath it says get instant access. 1-1 life coaching bonus expires, and it expires in so many hours. The sales funnel number 2 is the Super Affiliate Webinar funnel. It has the webinar registration where you enter your email. It has the thank you, live room, email follow-up 1, email follow-up 2, email follow-up 3, the replay room, and the order form. Sales funnel number 3 is the Super Affiliate Consult funnel. It has the free consult giveaway. There's an application, a phone call, and money. Now, when you buy this program, you'll be able to see all of the pages below. All of the pages above. And yes, we're at the end of this video, so please click or copy the link right here. If you copy it, please open it up in a new browser so you can learn all about the Super Affiliate Network and how you can purchase it for only $1 and get to learn about it, okay? Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. And thanks again for watching this video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.